Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to explain how to attempt your summer task. Now let's start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is use mental math to solve right answer only. You don't have to do rough work, you just use your mental maths to solve this question, like 300 plus 200 is equal to 500, 900 minus 500 is equal to 400. The next question is draw clocks to show the time. Now I am going to explain you the time. Here I have clock to show you the time and to clear the concept of time. In the clock we have 3 needles. This needle is showing the seconds. This larger needle is showing the minutes, and this smaller needle is showing the hours. Okay, now we can divide the whole clock in two halves and 4 quarters. Okay, now let's start dividing the clock. Okay, these are two halves of a clock. This is the first half and this is the second half. Okay, now we are going to divide the clock in 4 quarters. Okay, this is the first quarter, this is the second quarter, third quarter and the fourth quarter. Okay, what's the time now? This is 12 o'clock. Okay, now when the needle of minutes move to here, what's the time now? This is 12:05, and the other way to express is 5 minutes past 12. What's the time now? It's 12:10, and the other way to express this time is 10 past 12. This is 12:15, and the other way to express is quarter past 12. This is showing 1 quarter. Okay, and you can say that quarter past 12. This is 12:20, and you can also say that it's 20 minutes past 12. Likewise 12:25, 12:25, and you can say that 25 minutes past 12. Now what's the time now? You can say 12:30, and you can also say that half past 12. Look at the clock. What is the time now? You can say that it's 12:35, and in the other way you can also say that 25 minutes to 1. Now look at the clock. What is the time? The time is 12:40, and you can also say that 20 minutes to 1. You can say 12:40, and you can also express it as 20 minutes to 1. Okay, what is the time now? The time is 12:45 and quarter to 1. 12:45 and quarter to 1. Now you can say 12:50 and 10 minutes to 1. What is the time now? You can say 12:55 and 5 minutes to 1. Now tell what is the time now? The time is 1 o'clock. Now you are able to tell the time and draw the clocks as well. The question is estimate which product will be the greatest and circle it. You have to find the product of all these questions and then circle the greater product. And the same procedure goes for these questions. You have to find the product and you have to circle the greater product. The next question is draw the pictures to show the following fractions. First of all, you must know the concept of fraction. The fraction is something that shows part of a whole. Fraction looks like this: 3/4. The upper part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator. Numerator shows how many parts we are talking about and the denominator shows total equal parts of an object. Suppose you have a pizza and you have total equal 8 parts. So the denominator will be 8. Now suppose you are eating only one part of the pizza. So we can say that you ate 1/8 of the pizza. If you are eating 2 parts out of the total 8 parts, so we can say that you are eating 2/8 of the pizza. If you are eating 3 parts of the pizza, we can say you are eating 3/8 of the pizza. The denominator will remain same because the total parts are same, 8 parts. Okay, if you are eating 4 parts of the pizza out of total 8 parts, we can say that you are eating 4/8 of the pizza. And you can also say that you are eating 1/2 of the pizza because these 4 parts are showing 1/2 of the pizza and these 4 parts are showing the other half of the pizza. Now you are able to draw the pictures and to color the fractions. Like 2/4 is given, you have to draw the total parts, 4 total parts, and you have to color 2 parts. Here you have to draw 5 total parts and color 1 part. Come to the next page. Write the question is write the shaded fraction of each shape below. You have to write the shaded part in the numerator and the total parts in the denominator, as I explained you earlier. Color the following fraction. The same pattern goes for these questions. You have to color the fraction. The fraction is given here, okay, and you have to color 2 parts out of 3, total 3. Okay, here the total parts are 7. You have to color 6 parts. Now the next topic is perimeter. You have to find the perimeter. The first shape is square. You know that in squares we have all equal sides. If this side is 6 centimeter, the other sides are also 6 centimeter long. So you have to add 6 centimeter. This side is also 6 centimeter. 6 and 6, 12. Then 6 centimeter. 6, 6, 12 and 6, 18. And then 6 centimeter. 6 and 6, 12 and 6, 18 and 6 fours are 24. This shape is called triangle. This shape has 5 sides. It is called pentagon. This shape has 8 sides. This is called octagon. This shape is of 10 sides. This shape has 10 sides and this is called decagon. And this shape has 6 sides and it is called hexagon. You have to find the perimeter for all these shapes and all. The next question is find the quotient when you solve the problems. Write them in working form and show all steps. You have to do the rough work for these and you have to show all the steps for the following question. The 2 examples are given for you. The first example, is 186 and you have to divide by 2. Let's take the first digit 1. 1 will not come in the table of 2, so we will take 8 with 1 and it will become 18, 2-digit number. So 18 will come in the table of 2, so we will do like 2 9s are 18. Now subtract 8 from 8. 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 6 will come as it is. Now 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0, no remainder is there. So the quotient is 93. The other example is also solved for you. You have to follow this pattern to solve these following questions. The next question is dodging table. You have to fill in these blanks. 5 3s are 15, 2 5s are 10, and so on. And in this side you have to look at this number and you will read the table that how many times 20 will come in the table of 5. 5 4s are 20. How many times the 10 will come in the table of 5. 5 2s are 10, and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.